Kakenhun Harijan Panchayat Komiti mentakesengi ke nyutrik nopra arja arpulai kalai kendu bat ki hek sorkar ki pekentup ya ubak prestun tengsong bat ubak sengau bahalang dhar banyak keren halor ke jingpen kenria jaka ya ki Harijan na yu molong syaka weipat ke jaka bala terwa da ke sorkar. Habakren sekilat pathai kubor hadin bawai ka jingelang na kaliang u sekretari ka HPC u Gurjit Singh oleh itu baka HPC kan ye kendu biang bat ka sorkar ha usnam banwan kata usnam arja arpusau hapo jang katayo baar jong u kelalengkot u Gurjit ula benrap ru na kaliang ka HPC kalahun ya ka blueprint balawan ra ada ka sorkar Henry Kidangdon katu katne ki benta ki bana kaliang ka HPC kadang kwa ya ka sorkar ban kentup lang ha kane ka blueprint. Habapai sekawai pat kaliang u sembut menteri rangba uba prestun tengsong ulai tu baki nongelam ka HPC kilahun ya ka blueprint ka balawan ra thamai bat ka wei na ki benta balawan ra thamai ka dei halor ka jingpen he ya ka jaka na ka ar point khatsau akar syakalai point khatsau akar bat ka ne ka jingpen he ya ka jaka ka dei hadin ka jingpej benya bat la syam baka rit shisha na ka benta ki lai spa sau artli ki longying.
This is our second meeting. There were few points which we raised in the previous meeting. Some of those points we have considered, and there are certain things which are yet to be finalized, to be decided from either side. So now the HPC people, they will discuss the issues what we have discussed today in the meeting with their people, and then we'll again discuss those issues in the next meeting that is scheduled to be held in the second week of January.
Okay. Can you tell us those few points that have
No,
been agreed?
that I can't tell you. But yes, the meeting was on a good note. Hopefully, they'll discuss, and if they are agreed, then those points will be discussed in the next meeting, and hopefully some solution will be reached.
Has there been any discussion regarding Gurdwara that is located in?
Sorry?
I mean, was there any discussion on Gurdwara?
All the points.
No, see, there is no point which we can tell you that what are to be discussed. That those are the internal points which I think they will discuss with their people, and then definitely will inform and disclose to the media. But first, let them discuss with their people. HPC will discuss, and then will tell to the media.
Gurjit ji, can we expect by next year 2024 this issue will be resolved and you all also will be happy with what has been promised to you all?
Hopefully.
अब बताइए और
Chance तो है.
चांस है. Okay. Thank you.
Ka HPC ka Harijan Committee nang tayo po yo nolong kalau ia wan rengkap bu batu presiden ramba jong ka Delhi Gurdwara kiwan arut representative habat nama wakini ide ki balong bahakaji kidon ke concern kumno ban poi syaka ji sutu jumut apteng jongi ke government baki kilai don kan bang ilekren bun ki isu barka bakapa ni ngin nampak lah ban partai ki isu ki boleh discuss nawar ba menta na kalian jokio ki parpor sa kantu kan ye tayo bakin tanya discuss biang rengkat bagi para nongsong sedang jokiante de ngiyoi ba kancing keren kolong kapas ngutenat kapas seiso ba ngilayalai langu da kaju kasul ba hapo jong katayo kabaan une u benai Januari benai mentong u arhajar aku saw ngin ye kendu biasa si sempa banyak kremen sekarang bah hakata gaji kendu ngin poi sundon syata pakut jong ka meeting ini gaji kendu kata ada kebenaran taka mendakabi
bukti kita kalau begini cerita dengan isu ini review tak mata spesifik ke location dari ini sekarang akar
ka location kene ke jaka kolong ini katu ka existing kabadon menta kadon kumbang ar ekar point 14 mo de kabamenta just opposite to the na iya tu ka existing syahwe pak surok saka persyak surok de kadon sakwe kabashi ekar sau 1.4 ekar Jadi ada yang kata long around 3.6, 3.5, 3.6 acres.
Kita tahu what happened. I shoot it is 1.4 acres.
Agak bompan nanti. Lama lalu ngopi, bila sudah, kidon lies pa South Hawaii families. Lies pa South are families, but gihaban le ini di high rise building. Te ngiyok ngilap ba kampadap kadang rin kecekan orang daw ni ISU ya kecekan sa 1.4 acres. Namang ikwa kung mga opingan ada konten baga jikwa ajo ni government habang iong relocation habang iong shifting kan long back complete na roksya.
Kung gubernur kalau lagi plot di bantai yang kerjakan propose.
Karena kata life pass units lo life pass ko ar water